Hey guys, it's Mr. Saucetta. I'm going to show you how to do your vocabulary in your digital notebook. So the first thing you need to do is go to your digital notebook. It's on the top of classwork under week 13. When you view the assignment, you'll notice you have a couple attachments here. You have the PDF, which is completed vocabulary. So this is what you're going to use to complete your vocab. Then you have your digital notebook, and then you have a how-to video showing you how to organize your digital notebook if you haven't moved those new slides into Unit 2 yet. Make sure you take some time and watch this video. But if you're ready to complete your vocab, you need to have this open. You can click over here, open a new window. You could download it if you wanted to. So you should have this in one web browser, and then you need to open up your digital notebook also. So if you can split your screen, that'd probably be the easiest, or you can just flip back and forth. So you could do it like this with your screen split, so you can see both of them at the same time. So to get to your vocab, you need to go down to Unit 2, which will be around slide 11. So this is Unit 2, and then we have our table of content. We're going to go ahead and fill out a couple of things on our table of content. You put today's date, whatever today's date is. The titles, I need you to add your warm-up in there. And that should be slide 13. So our warm-up right here in slide 13. And then you'll see your vocab here at slide 14. So put today's date. And then our potential / kinetic energy vocab. And that's going to be slide 14. So we have our table of contents filled out. Now we're ready to do our vocab. So this time the vocab is a little bit different because you do not need to write the definitions. I'm already giving you all the definitions. This time you only need to write the vocabulary word and then add an image. So these do go in order. So the ability of a system to do work, energy is required for changes to happen. And so that matches this description right here. And so that word is energy. They all go in order. Just make sure as you're doing this, you're reading the definitions, not just writing down the vocab word. If you're just writing down the vocab word and not reading the definition, then it's not going to help you much. So we have the vocab word energy. We know the definition, the ability of a system to do work. And then it says draw a picture, but you're just going to insert an image. So you could go click here, image, search the web. And you could type in the word energy and we can see what pops up. So you could do a light bulb, solar panels. These are all good examples of energy. The picture's going to come real big when you click on the one you want. You shrink it down so it can fit into your square. That's all you got to do. It shouldn't take too long for you to complete. It should be very quick. If you're confused or you have any questions, let me know. You shouldn't have that problem like we did with the other vocab with things moving around because there's already these little text boxes inserted for you, so nothing should move around. You can change your font size if you want it to be smaller or bigger to make it fit into your boxes. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment.